Good morning, students, teachers, and all staff at Furry Elementary. Can I please have your attention for the announcements? Well, when we work together as the best version of the Furry team, then we are a team of people that helps each other to grow and get better. We learn from one another, and we can learn through the examples that students set, and of course, we can learn from the teachers and other adults in our building. Now, yesterday we mentioned how being coachable or teachable is an important part to building skill and getting better at anything. The smartest people in the world can learn from others, or like the best basketball players in the world can still be coached to build more skill. The best at any skill can get better by being coachable or teachable. Now, the start to being coachable is being a good listener. Let's use the example of learning in the classroom. First, being a good listener starts by getting your mind right and putting your focus on the teacher and what the teacher is teaching. You should ask yourself, what am I supposed to be learning? What do I need to get better at what the teacher is trying to teach me right now? And if you're disciplined and your focus is on what you're supposed to be learning, then you'll be ready for the teacher to teach you. But if your focus goes on default and you start thinking about things outside of the classroom or start talking to another student close to you and focus on your conversation instead of focus on being teachable, and you're going to miss out on an opportunity to get better and to build skill. Also, when you allow your focus to be more on maybe talking with other students, that also gets in the way of other students in the class being able to be the best learners they can be. And even though your focus may not be on distracting them, that is the below the line outcome that happens if you're talking to others close to you when your focus should be on the teacher. The first step to being coachable or teachable is being a good listener. Focus on what you are trying to learn. Focus on what the teacher is trying to teach you. Everyone needs to be coachable or teachable to be the best versions of themselves. So get your mind right to be a good listener and be ready to build skill on this Tuesday here at Furry. And now will everyone please stand, face the flag, put your right hand over your heart, and join me for the Pledge of Allegiance and the Pirate Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. At Furry Elementary School, we work to build trust so we can count on each other. We own our responses and take responsibility for our actions. We work to connect as pirates and support one another. We learn the pirate way so we can be the best versions of ourselves. All right, thank you, everyone. Today is Tuesday, March 5th, 2024, and for lunch today, we'll have mac and cheese, broccoli, strawberries, breadsticks, and if you're choosing the alternate sandwich, it's ham with cheese or peanut butter and jelly. We have one birthday to celebrate at Furry today. We'd like to say happy birthday to Michael Melching, who gets to celebrate his birthday along with the Furry team. We have a wonderful day here celebrating with the Furry team and enjoy getting a year older on this Tuesday. And academic congratulations to recognize this morning. Congratulations to second grade student Sophia Pepitone for completing the addition fluency, and that's on the extra math program in Mrs. Mapus's class. Congratulations to kindergarten students Lillian Nedgedley for passing word list number 7 and Ben Gessner for passing word list number 8, and they're in Mrs. Obergefel's class. And congratulations to kindergarten students Mabel Link for finishing word list number 4 and Gianna Doherty for completing word list number 23, and they're in Miss Du Bois's class. Well done to those students for doing the work to earn their academic congratulations. And we continue through our story, Here's Hank. Bookmarks are people too, our one school to one book. And our reading for tonight is on chapter 4. I know through the first 3 chapters, we're starting to get introduced to different characters, whether it's Hank, his best friends, his teachers, students in the class, and now even his grandfather in a different setting into the deli there. So let's see where chapter 4 takes us tonight. So join us as we read together and continue through our story. Here's Hank. Bookmarks are people too. Now we'll take that moment to just press pause and get our minds right And remember, we're going to have to do this throughout the day when we are in our classrooms and our focus should be on the teacher. There may be times that we notice our focus going elsewhere and thinking of things outside of the room or wanting to talk to our neighbor. Press pause, get your mind right, and put your focus on being coachable so you can continue to build skill today. Let's go ahead and first start by breathing in for 4 and hold for 4. Breathe out for 4. All right. Very, very good. Just one other announcement. We do have our spring pictures today. So classes and students will be called down to get their pictures taken throughout the day. So students, make sure that you're bringing your smile and you're ready to give the best picture that you can. And that's going to be it for the announcements this morning. Let's just keep doing the work to build trust, to own, and to connect. And let's make it a great day, Furry.